Want to start earning from mutual funds and build a career in finance? In this video, I will explain the complete step-by-step process in a very simple way. If you want a career in finance, side income, or even your own business, becoming a mutual fund distributor is a great option. And the best part is, you can start this in just a few weeks. Step 1. Clear the NISM certification. The first step is to pass the NISM Series V-A Mutual Fund Distributors exam. This exam is required if you want to legally sell mutual funds in India. Don't worry, the exam is quite basic and easy to clear with proper preparation. If you want proper knowledge of mutual fund distributor certification, you can visit our channel for complete exam structure and information. Step 2. Apply for ARN. After clearing the exam, the next step is to apply for your ARN, AMFI registration number. This is your license to become a mutual fund distributor. For this process, you will need your documents like your NISM certificate, PAN card, Aadhaar and address proof, bank details. Once everything is verified and approved, you will receive your ARN card within a few weeks. For full informative video, visit our YouTube channel. Step 3. Register with AMCs. Now comes the practical part of starting your work. You need to register with mutual fund companies, also called asset management companies, AMCs. This process is known as empanelment. After completing this step, you can offer mutual fund schemes to your clients, you become an authorized distributor, and you can start earning commission. Step 4. Set up your business. At this stage, you can start working, but setting things up properly will help you grow faster. You can create your personal brand, use platforms or tools to manage your clients, keep your work and income organized. This will make your work look more professional and help you scale in the long run. Step 5. Start getting clients and earning. Now you are ready to start. As a distributor, you earn commission on the investments made by your clients, whether it's SIP or lump sum. With time, as your client base grows, your income can also become stable and recurring. So if you are serious about building a career or side income in finance, this is a great opportunity to start. For step-by-step guidance on the NISM exam and becoming an mutual fund distributor, you can visit our website www.nismexams.in. Link is in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance-related content.